These are the Hinder frames, and I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. So first thing you're going to do is flip over your frames so that they're upside down, and you're going to take a regular Phillips head screwdriver, and you're going to unscrew this screw. It's the one that's attached to the temple and the frontal part of the frame. So you're going to take the screwdriver, and you're just going to insert it, and you're going to spin it to the left. And then what you're going to do is just pop the lens out. You can unscrew this all the way if you wish, but sometimes it's better to keep it in so that way the screw doesn't fall out and you won't lose track of it. Now to reinstall the lens, you're going to line up the lens with all the grooves on the frame. Sometimes you have to bend it just to get it back in. But then you hear a click, and you just take the screwdriver and you re-screw it. And that's it.